Next lesson is on rates and unit rates. A rate is a comparison of two different quantities with different units. We write rates as fractions with labels. A unit rate has a denominator of 1. So basically what this means is you've actually divided. So if you're thinking about it, a unit rate is going to say how many miles per 1 hour, how many pounds per square inch or whatever per one of those. Just like with fractions, if you think about a rate, there's kind of your hint. Rates need to have a division problem is how you do it. And you don't have to have the same units, which makes these kind of nice. The suggested planting rate for wildflower seeds is 1/2 pound per 1/8 acre. What is the unit rate in pounds per acre? Most questions set this up for us. So we have 1/2 pound per 1/8 of an acre. So then really we're just going to use our calculator. We're going to do 1/2 divided by 1/8. And we're going to end up with 4 pounds per acre. And yes, you are allowed to use the slash here. You don't have to write out that word per if you don't want to. Angelo read 1.5 pages in 3 minutes. Find his reading speed in pages per hour. So we have 1.5 pages in 3 minutes. 3 minutes is going to be 3 minutes out of 60 minutes for an hour. What fraction of the hour is it? So we have 1.5 pages in 3/60th hours. So 1.5 divided by 3/60ths. So if you want to see, calculator here, 1.5 divided by 3/60ths, and that's going to give us 30 pages per hour. Next one, Ava pays a company $30 every 6 months to host her website. A, how much does Ava pay per month? So $30 gets her 6 months. So if we actually find the rate here, we're going to divide, and we're going to get $5 per month. So how much does she pay for 9 months? Well, if $5 for every 1 month, we're going 9 months. So she's going to pay $45 then. It took 2/3 of a minute to fill a barrel of 1/4 full of water. Find the unit rate in barrels per minute. So the barrel, we only got 1/4 of it filled, so a 1/4 barrel per 2/3 of a minute. So a 1/4 divided by 2/3 is going to give us 3/8 of a barrel per minute. That tells me it's going to take a little over 2 minutes to actually fill this barrel, if you think about that. We're going to continue on to unit price. Unit price is just basically a fancy way of saying that we're talking about money now for the items. Unit rate is basically the same thing. We just say price when it's talking about money. So find the unit price if it costs $2 for 8 juice boxes. When we do unit price, the money always goes on top. Money comes first. That's very important for us. So $2 for 8 boxes. So if you think about that, 2 divided by 8 is going to give you 25 cents per juice box. Number 2, find the unit price if a 4-pack of fruit snacks sells for $2.12. So $2.12 for 4 packs. And that's going to give you 53 cents per pack. Prices of 3 different bags of dog food are given in the table. What size bag has the lowest price per pound? So really we're doing this divided by this for all of these. So you're going to notice this is just a lot of calculator work. This is 1.225. So I need to round. This is going to be $1.23 per pound. This one is going to be 1.172. So $1.17 per pound. And the last one, 1.235. $1.25, so $1.24 per pound. Notice we have to round for money here because we are talking money. So which one has the lowest price per pound? The 20-pound bag has lowest unit price. Number 4, Tito wants to buy some peanut butter to donate to the food pantry. What brand should he buy if he wants to get the lowest cost per ounce? So again, we're doing cost per ounce. I'm going to have you take a second, pause the video, go ahead, do these, and when you come back, check your answer. So listed out here are all the unit prices rounded. So lowest cost per ounce, he should buy Grandma's PB. Would be the cheapest. Down here, 3 examples. I'm going to have you pause the video since it's guided practice. Go through, try to calculate these, and come back and check your answers. And there are your 3 answers right there for unit price.